This 2022 Grand Design Reflection 150,268 BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features one slideout, a tan, black interior, sleeps 10, slideout, TV, microwave, auxiliary battery, LP detector, leveling jacks, awning, water heater, DVD player, external shower, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Reflection 150,268 BH is 7,791 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.